Hey everybody, Clay here with Clay Jarvis Guitar. Welcome to my beginner guitar series. In previous lessons we have been talking about some guitar basics like hand positions, open strings, tuning, and finger exercises. Now we want to start learning to play chords. In this video I'm going to show you how to read a chord diagram and show you a great website to use for learning your chords. Coming up. So the first thing we want to do is go to a website. It's called all-guitar-chords.com. And it shows you a picture of the guitar neck, shows you the open strings and all of the frets on the guitar. If you were to hold your guitar out in front of you just like this right here, that would be a good picture of what the chord diagram looks like. So looking at this diagram, it shows all the open strings. So you've got, starting from the bottom, which would be your thickest string, your sixth string, E, A, D, G, B, E. That's all your open strings. Then on the top, you've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so forth, so on. Those are your frets. And what we want to do is go ahead and start looking at some chords. So as you can see at the very bottom, you can click on the letter of the chord you want, and then whether it's major, minor, or whatever type of chord it is. In this diagram, we're just going to go with the E major chord. So let's break down this diagram. What we're looking at here, again, is the E major chord. Sounds like that, and it looks like this right here. That's what we're looking at on this chord diagram. Now the top string is your lower E string, and that's actually on the bottom of the chord diagram. So once again, you just kind of got to look at it like that. The bottom two strings here are open, and as you can see, they're the top two strings on the chord diagram. So all of the round circles are notes in the E major chord. So you're going to play all the strings, and you're going to play the top string open and the bottom two strings open. And then as you can see, the first fret has got your first finger. That's what that 1 in the circle is for. And then your third finger is on the second fret on the D string. Then your second finger is on the second fret on the A string. So once again, you got your frets and you got your open strings. The only other thing we want to look at here is the color of the dots, and the orange dots represent the root notes. So we're in the key of E major, so E is your root note, and that orange dot, each time you see that, is showing you where the E notes are. All right, so next we're going to look at an A major chord, and there's the diagram for it. The bottom string right there is going to be open. You've got your A note. You can see the orange right there for an open A note. And then you've got your first finger, second finger, and third finger on the D, G, and the B strings on the second fret there. And this is what that looks like. You can see the X that's on the E. And so that means we do not play that string. So we're just playing the 5 strings. So from the A on down. So hey, if this lesson has been helpful for you, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing for more videos just like this to help you go further, faster with guitar. Now we're going to look at one more chord. We're going to look at the D major chord. So we start with an open D note. And then on the G string, we've got our first finger, second fret, B string, third finger, third fret. And on the E string, we've got our second finger, second fret. So looks like that right there. And as you can see, the top two strings have X's on them. So we're not going to play the top two strings. Once again, I highly recommend this website. It's, again, all-guitar-chords.com. When you click on guitar chords, there again at the bottom, you can choose your chords you want to see the diagram for, and you can choose whether it's major, minor. As a beginner, you want to just probably focus on the major and maybe the minor chords for right now. But in our next lesson, we're going to learn these 3 chords a little bit more in detail and talk about some strum patterns and things of that nature. To see a playlist of all of my beginner guitar series videos, click on the link right here, and we'll see you in the next video.